Hello, what's up my people? How una dey? I don't carry another update carry come today. So I want make we talk about this new update where they just dropped few days ago, like 6 days ago. And then they call this particular platform OKTrading. So today I go come here come talk about this particular platform. I go drop my review. I go tell you now what I think about this platform, how the platform they go, if it go make sense, or be no go make sense. You understand? Then I go share my opinion because I don't use them for a few days now. Then you go decide if this one they okay, or be they okay. So make sure say you watch this video from the beginning till the end. Okay? If it is me for the first time, my name is Solomon. Welcome to my channel. Yeah, they come here, they cho about different updates. If you call me the pigeon guy, because I they try break down all the complex too much grammar about different platforms. I they try break them down for simple pigeon so that our country people go fit understand where. So all what you go do for me be go like this video, just share this video and make sure see they subscribe to my channel. You can comment where they watch the video from for comment section. Just comment where they watch from down in the comment. If you see your neighbor for comment section, you get one new platform where they just launched 5 to 6 days ago, and this particular update come out talk say if you use their platform, make you they do one or two things and make you they collect. You understand? So today I won't come here make we can talk about them. I go share the pros and the cons and what thing I don't see about the platform and so on and so forth. Then make you decide. And also make you know say this one will be financial advice. Me I no be financial advisor. This one now my opinion I come here to come share. This one not just educational. This is a review. And you say if you get your own opinion and based on when you watch this video, make you just also do small reviews too about this particular update before you fit do anything about them. You understand? Just to be on the safe side. You understand? It's because as it is like this, nobody knows tomorrow. All these platforms and sometimes they get head shake and they feed day today, tomorrow you no go see them again. And just educational, they can't do here no be tutorial. This one 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 na review. Review they different from tutorial. Yeah, now opinion that they can't share. No be tutorial they can't do. But if you want to see the tutorial, make sure say check my cirrden account or you check my Facebook page. I don't do and drop for my Facebook page. Go to Facebook. Go to my Facebook page now. Solid Pictures TV on Facebook. You will see the tutorial I don't drop there. Check my cirrden account. cirrden.com/solidpicturestv. Just go check my page for cirrden. You go see I'm there. Or just join my Telegram channel. No. Join my Telegram community. No. You go see I'm below. Just join no. Or join my WhatsApp group. No. Join my WhatsApp community or my Telegram community. You go see I'm there. If you go calm down, make you check them out. But yeah, now review I come here to come do. I just want to clarify that part so that when I go know why I did here. Okay, so make we start. So this platform here, then they call them OKTrading, and OKTrading they launched a few days ago. And this platform talks say if you use their platform, make you they trade Bitcoin and Ethereum, Bitcoin price and Ethereum, so you go to collect one or two every single time where you trade. Then get different trading pattern. Then get 60 seconds, which is 1 minute. Then get 3 minutes. Then get 5 minute trading pattern. And another thing about the platform, we say that they give signals for their Telegram channel. You collect the signal from the Telegram channel user and they trade, and you go they collect. You understand? And they get different Telegram channel. They get the one where they give you trading signal 2 times in a day. They get the one where they give you trading signals 24 hours in a day. Non-stop trading signals. Then get their affiliate program where say if they invite people, may they join, something like that, and you go they collect 1 or 2. You understand? This platform can't they like CoinRace. And as I know about CoinRace before, CoinRace na platform will been come out like 3-4 years ago, and we can't use them for straight 3 years, and they think can't be okay. After 3 years, they think can't get issues. So this platform now can't be like CoinRace. You understand? But the only difference is say their Ethereum trading they work. I think CoinRace Ethereum trading to be they work. And as I know platforms like this, if you start as the thing they start with their signal never to they shake. Now from stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, as the thing they start, so they not go leave and making they reach like 8 stages because they want to gather plenty people. This platform in get in pros and in cons. One of in pro can be said and get Telegram channel steady where they give you better signals. Another pro can be said they withdraw they fast. Another pro can be say the platform they easy to understand because they break down everything. If you check their chart, you get one of their chart where they break down everything and get calculator too. And this calculator will help you break down the amount where your wallet, like your trading capital, where your wallet, the calculator will help you break am down. They get customer service where they active, and they get Telegram channel too where they active. So wetin be some of the cons wey I know like about the platform? Number one, the amount of something wey you go put for the platform now from 10 USDT. Now be the amount of something we go put for the platform. And number two be say local currency like Naira, and Naira putting something and Naira removing something. You understand? I believe say they go add them soon, but they never get the option yet. And another thing I no con like about the platform be say their whole interface can go resemble CoinRest interface. So we don't know whether later they can go after a few years like CoinRest. So we never they show up. Now in pros and in cons, now be that. But according to you, if you don't see the platform before, tell me what you think about the platform. Sure, saying they okay, I be no they okay. What be the pros and cons where you don't gather about the platform? If you want to rate them from 1 to 10, what you go rate them? Me now, I feel rate them 6/10 because I don't come out small thing from the platform. I go rate them 6/10. You now, what be the ratings where you feel rate the platform? Make you tell me for comment section, okay? Make you don't forget to check Trustpilot, for reviews and other platforms for reviews about this platform. Just check people opinion once in a while. Make sure you join their Telegram channel so they go to collect their trading signals from them. Make sure they in touch with their customer service in case you get 1 or 2 issues, so that they go help you sort out your issues for the platform. If you be person who knows how to use crypto, I be don't do tutorial how if you take the buy and how if you take the sell your cryptocurrency. Check out for my cirrden account how if you take convert your crypto to Naira and how if you take convert your Naira to crypto. So check out my cirrden account, okay? And this particular update in tutorial make you check out too for my cirrden account. Check out, make you tell me what you think about for comment section. I go see you now for my next video, and bye for now.